Hello, today I'll be showing you on how to plot contour on sofa. You will launch your sofa, then you will import your data into your sofa. I have Excel data. I'm using this data, process data. I'll import it into my sofa by going to grid data. You click on grid data. You use natural neighbor. Natural neighbor will show the boundaries of your work. That is why natural neighbor is preferable. Then you click on browse and select your file. Here you save your Excel data that you want to import. You select it. I have it on my desktop, so I'm selecting my desktop, and then I will click open. Then after that, you click on view data to view your data that you want to import. Now I have my data. This is my data. Listing nothings, height. But if this data now, if let's assume is having additional column here, whereby is having I have data on A, B, C, D. What you just do is you come to this place, then you change it to exactly to what you want, because you need your XYZ. So you make sure that the data that was selected is going to be your XYZ. Then after that, you click on next, and click on finish. It will generate a report for you. Then you can minimize that. Now we have our contour on the screen. Now the contour has been plotted on the screen, but we are going to do some editing on that. The first thing is, on your sofa, you go to your view, then if your content and properties is off, you can pull it on, you can check it in. You click on the content and then you click on properties. It will show the properties and the content. Now you click on this contour that was plotted here, that show my properties. So from the properties now, from these properties, I want to change my contour interval. You can do that by coming to level. You click on level. From level, you can see we have our contour interval as 0.2. So you can give it contour interval of your choice, contour interval that you want to use. You can use any contour interval of your choice. Let me change this one to 0.1, and let's see what will happen. You can see the difference now. It has increased the contour. This is 0.1. Now after that, let's give our contour colors. Let's give it color. You can give your contours color by clicking on, you click on under field contours, you click on field contours. You can see it has changed. Now you can change your color by coming to this gray scale. You click on this small arrow here and select the type of color you want to give it. So I'm giving my contour brown. Now I've changed the color to brown. And also I want to bring in the scale bar, color scale for my contour in order for me to know the values. You can do that by coming to color scale on this general here, then click on this box, you click on it. Now we have our color scale on the screen. Then you can check your minor and major contour, what it entails. For our minor contour is we have minus 0.2, while our maximum contour is 3.4. You can see it on the color scale here. We have 3.4 for the maximum, while the minimum is 0 minus 0.2, and then the contour interval is 0.1. Now let's show the label. From these minor contours you can show the label. Let's click on it and see. You see now we have our labels. Our labels has been added to the contour. And then after that you can edit your contour tests by coming to this place. You'll be able to edit the tests. Okay, now when you click on label, then click on font properties, you can change your font. You can give it the font that you like, any font of your choice. You can change it to Times New Roman or any font that you use. Then click OK. You can see. You can change your background. You can change your contour interval, your contour. You can change your contour values. You can make it bold by clicking on this bold box here. You can make it bold, make it more visible. You can uncheck your lower bottom and upper bottom here from this place. You just come to your map here and then you uncheck it. You uncheck. I've unchecked for the lower bottom, but if you want it, you click on it back. You can see. You can always set up those things at your choice. You can set it up at your own choice. Another thing is, I'll be showing you on how to export your boundary to your contour. If you want to export your boundary to your contour, you can do that by coming to your home. The boundary you want to export must have been saved as DXF in order for you to be able to open it here. So I've saved my boundary as DXF file on my desktop. Now in order to export it here, I'll just come to my base here. I'll click on it, then click on this base. I'll select where I save it. I save it on my desktop. Now this is it here. I save it here. This is it. I'll click on open, then I'll click OK. Now you can see it. This is my boundary on red. Let me uncheck this so that you can see the boundary clearly. You can see that is my boundary on red. So that is how to import your boundaries to Surfer. And after plotting your contour, you can also export it to AutoCAD If you want to export, you just come to this file here, you click on it and you click on export. Then you save, you select the location where you want to export your contour to. You give it a name. Let me give it contour. Then I'll save it on my desktop. Okay, we already are exporting to the desktop. Now let's check. Now I have it on my desktop. This is it here. It has been exported to DXF file. It has been exported. Now that's how to plot contour on sofa. Thank you.